What's going on, guys? It's Cesar here. I hope that you are doing awesome. And we teach you how to make money online. I am an engineer. Also, I have an MBA, specialist in finance degree. And in the past few years, I have been making money with affiliate marketing because I didn't want to rely on one source of income. And that is what I want to teach you right now, guys. And today I'm going to talk about how to make money with affiliate marketing in 2022. And for that, I'm going to show you my whiteboard because I always want to show you the big picture. So, how to make money in 2022. So, I'm going to show you this strategy, guys. And actually, people are earning money with these steps. The first step, guys, is that you need to find a product before the launch. The second step is, I'm going to put here with red. Once you have the product, you need to create a review. In this review, you can use YouTube. Also, you can use Google. So you can make a Google site if you don't have a website, or if you have a website, make a review on your own website. And the third step, guys, is if you make a YouTube video, you need to optimize the description of your video with your affiliate link or your bridge page. And if we are talking about your Google site, put your link, your affiliate link in the content. So with that being said, guys, we're going to deep dive right now, and I'm going to show you. As you see on the screen, this website, the name is Munch Eye. And you can scroll down and we have here some big launches. Today is December 28th, and as you can see, we have here December 29th, and tomorrow they are going to launch these IM Wealth Builders. But we are interested more in these high ticket products, for example, these then meters, all the wholesale formula. If we click here, so we're going to check the front end price is $29.97 and the commission is 50%. So that is a good commission for this product. And we have another product here from 18 booth, the Kibo Eclipse. The front end price is $34.97 and they are giving 50% commission. So this is a great product that you can promote on your YouTube channel or your website. So right now, guys, we have our product, and I'm going to show you this example. You can research this on YouTube. The name of the channel is Bid Society, and you can see this person. The whole channel are basically reviews about products. So we have here this video, the Studa.io review and demo. We have here this text-to-speech software review. We have system review, Google AdMob master review, and he is making all of these reviews, and he is making money with this channel, making only reviews about, for example, this is software Eclipse review with bonuses, my video spy review with ranking proof, infinite buyer traffic review. So you can create a channel like this, guys, and start making reviews about software that they are going to launch in the future. So when people search about those products, you are going to appear in the first spots. With that being said, guys, I hope that you take value from this information and also you take action, because if you don't take action, you are not going to make money online. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, because I'm making these videos to help you to make money online so you can have more than one source of income. With that being said, talk to you soon, guys. And remember also, if you want to copy and paste my affiliate marketing formula, I have a 3-step system. You can click the link in the description below. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.